Hi, this is Kim from Ocean Vayu Yoga. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. And we'll get started. So, we're going to start on our backs this morning, assuming that we had just woken up. Maybe you're even still in bed, or maybe you just rolled out onto the floor. So, just try to relax your legs, relax your arms. You can close your eyes. We'll just take a couple of deep breaths here. Just beginning to tune in to our breath. On our next inhale, reach your arms up and over your head and take a big stretch. Reach your fingers away from your toes, lengthening out your body. And exhale right there. Inhale and lengthen, reaching toes away from your arms. And exhale right there. Now take your fingers, interlace them, and flip your palms to face back behind you. Do another big stretch. And then unlace your fingers and relace with the opposite pointer finger in front and do another stretch there. Relax for a moment. And then we're going to take our right hand by our side and our left arm straight back behind us, moving your upper body to the right side of your mat, stretching the whole left side. Relaxing here and breathing deeply into your side ribs. Good. Slowly release out and switch arms. Right arm up above, moving your upper body towards the left side of your mat. Left hand slides down towards your foot and taking deep breaths here. Good. And we slowly come back to center. Begin to pull your knees in towards your chest and gently rock side to side. Now we're going to grab hold of the knees, straighten the arms, and take the knees in circles. Massaging our low back, noticing how the ground underneath feels on the muscles that run up and down the spine. Now switch directions of your circles. Good. Come back to center. Pull the knees in nice and tight, and then we're going to keep the feet together, but separate the knees. Bring the arms to the insides, and maybe you grab hold of your shins or your ankles. Let your low back relax into the mat. Find your breath. And then we're going to bring the knees back together and drop them over to the right side of our mat. Right hand can grab hold of the top knee gently, allowing it to relax down. Left arm can either stay by your side or come out to a T as you gaze to your left. On your next inhale, bring your knees back to center and drop them over to the left side. Taking your gaze to the right, eyes can still be closed. Good. Knees come back to center on an inhale, a gentle rock, and then we'll rock right on over to our right side. Use our hands to push ourselves up to seated. And we're going to sit comfortably cross-legged. If that doesn't work for you, you can take the soles of your feet to touch. And we're just going to melt right over our legs. Let your head come down. If your head doesn't reach the floor, you can always use a block or a pillow, or make a pillow with your hands. And then slowly rise back up. And we're going to switch which foot was in front if your legs were crossed and fold back down. Breathing deep into your low back, feeling that stretch. Good, and we'll slowly rise back up. Bring our hands back behind to help straighten our legs. And then give your toes a little wiggle, spread them out wide, lift your arms up over your head, and exhale, fold right over your legs. Again, breathing into your back, feeling the stretch in the hamstrings, the backs of your legs. And good, we'll rise up, and then we're going to twist to our right. So let your hands drop down to the right, gazing to the right shoulder. Good. Inhale, reach your arms back up. Exhale, turn to the left. Let your hands come down. Gaze back towards your left shoulder. Good. Right back to center. Now bring the soles of your feet together for Baddha Konasana or butterfly. And just melt right over your legs. Slowly rise back up. We're going to extend the legs nice and wide, toes up to the sky, and now walk your hands forward, however far is comfortable for you. Slowly make your way back up on an inhale. Help your legs back together. And we're going to come on to all fours. So right into your tabletop. And we're going to begin cat-cows. Inhaling as we come up and exhaling as we round. Inhale, lift the tailbone. Exhale, round the back. And just moving at your pace. Good. Last one. And then we're going to curl our toes and lift our hips up for down dog. Pedal out your heels here. Press both heels towards the mat. Lift your hips up high. And then begin to walk your feet towards your hands or your hands back to your feet. Come into a forward fold and grab opposite elbows. Let your upper body relax, or you can sway it side to side. Now let your hands come down towards the mat. Round your back, bend your knees, and rise all the way up. Gazing up, palms touch overhead. Little mini back bend. Push your hips forward. Exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. And again, inhale, reach your arms up, big stretch, mini back bend. Exhale, hands come down to your heart. Inhale, arms up now. Exhale, right hand down, left arm over your ear, gaze down towards the floor. Inhale, arms back up. Exhale, left arm down, right arm over your ear, gaze down towards your left foot. Inhale, back up to center. Mini back bend with cactus arms, bend at your elbows. Good. Inhale and exhale, hands come down to your heart. There we go. Take a nice deep breath. Exhale it out. Namaste. And I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to see you all back here again soon. Peace and love to all of you.